Hi everybody. So yesterday was the water test and it was a massive success. So technically I now have a working fishing boat. It runs, I've got the seats in there, I can launch it, it's legal. I can go out and I can go fishing on this boat. So everything that I show you and I do from now on is going to be improvements and modifications. So off the back of the run out yesterday, everything works. I need to improve it. There was a couple of snags. It was just a little bit uncomfortable to operate, and the seating positions aren't quite right. So I'm aiming to improve stability. So what I'm going to do is this seat here, I'm going to move forward to this point here, and it's just so I throw the weight forward a little bit for two reasons. If I'm in it on my own, I don't want all the weight at the back of the boat, and also when I had the motor on, just here, the control arm was hitting here, so it was just snagging. It was really difficult to reach back and hold this with my right arm. It was like behind me, and it kept clipping the back of the seat here. So I'm going to move that forward to throw the weight forward and improve the controls. And then this front seat here, what I want to do with that is, you see where there's a little angle at the front here. I'm gonna move that so the front of the seat's here, so it's going to be back to here, so from here to here. And then what that's going to give me is it's going to throw more weight to the front of the boat if I've got two people in there. Not only that, it's going to give me more gap between this seat and this seat. We realised while we're out that the front guy doesn't face forward. He's going to sit facing this way. Two reasons: it's more sociable, and also there's more foot space. So I'm going to throw that seat forward quite a lot. Throw this seat forward a little bit. It's going to open this gap here, and it's going to be give me more space for the seating. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lower the seats. So I want to lower them so that the actual cushions there are at the height of the bench where it is now. So basically what I need to do is I need to mount underneath the mounts and drop them by about 60mm to be able to get them seats to where that is. The reason I'm doing that is it's going to lower the centre of gravity. When we were in it yesterday, it just felt like you were sat on the boat and not in the boat, if that makes sense. So because the seats are higher than the sides, you can see there, the seats higher than the sides, it just felt like you were sitting on it, and it just felt a little bit more rocky. The lower the centre of gravity, the more stable the boat is. So that's the two things I'm going to concentrate on today, and I'm going to get that done. And I'm also going to look at getting some storage up at the front. Once I move that seat, I'm going to put a storage compartment in there, and then a few other little mods later on. So the stuff that I need for today basically is I need to drill out the rivets that are on there. So I've got a rivet gun, some new rivets, I've got some M800mm bolts there, and I've got some timbers to drop. I need to paint that with that grey as well. Just a note while I'm on with bolts, when I was at Screwfix, the dear, really dear compared to Toolstation. If I buy a bag of bolts for 60p from Toolstation, there may be 3 or 4 quid from Screwfix. So in the UK, if you use Toolstation, you're getting good quality coach bolts, and you're paying a fraction of the price as well. It's a bit weird, you know. You can go get paint cheaper from one place to the other, but I've used a lot of coach bolts on this build. So coach bolts, Toolstation, 100%, you know, they're a good price. So on my next video, I'm going to have this completed, and I'm going to show you, I'll show you how I get on with that. So I look forward to showing you. Thank you.